Welcome back to our exploration of the internal forces shaping consumer behavior. In our last lecture, we discussed how attitudes and persuasion influence our choices. Today, we will delve into the fascinating realm of personality and self-concept, exploring how our unique individual traits and self-perceptions affect our consumption patterns. Personality refers to the unique psychological characteristics that distinguish individuals from one another. It encompasses our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, shaping how we interact with the world around us. While personality is relatively stable over time, it can evolve. It can be influenced by various factors such as life experiences and social interactions. Self-concept. Self-concept, on the other hand, is our perception of ourselves. It is the image we hold of who we are based on our beliefs, values, experiences, and social interaction. Our self-concept is multifaceted, encompassing our physical appearance, social roles, personality traits, and values. There are three key aspects of self-concept. Actual self. This is the perception of who we currently are. It is based on our self-assessment of our characteristics, abilities, and shortcomings. Ideal self. This is our perception of who we would like to be. It's our aspirational self, reflecting our hopes, dreams, and goals. Social self. This is our perception of how others see us. It's influenced by our social interaction, feedback from others, and cultural norms. The relationship between our actual, ideal, and social selves play a significant role in consumer behavior. We often purchase products and services that align with our self-concept, either to express our current identity or to strive towards our ideal self. For example, someone who sees themselves as fashionable and trendy might be drawn to designer clothing and accessories, while someone who values practicality and functionality might prefer more simple and durable items. Marketers often tap into our desire for self-expression and self-enhancement through their advertising and branding strategy. They create aspirational images and messages that resonate with our ideal self, enticing us to purchase products or services that promise us to help us achieve our desired identity. Different personality traits can also influence our consumer behavior. For instance, extrovert. Extroverts might be more likely to seek out social experiences and products that enhance their social status. Introverts, on the other hand, might prefer solitary activities and products that promote relaxation and introspection. Open-minded individuals might be more willing to try new products and brands, while those who are more conservative might stick to familiar options. Understanding the relationship between personality, self-concept, and consumer behavior is crucial for businesses. By tailoring their marketing messages and product offerings to appeal to specific personality types and self-images, businesses can create a more personalized and engaging experience for their customers. In our next lecture, we will shift our focus to the external influences on consumer behavior, exploring how cultural, social, and situational factors shape our choices and preferences.